Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special, the 2026 Camaro SS 454. Now if you're a muscle car fan or just someone who appreciates raw American power wrapped in a modern shell, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This isn't just a refresh, it's a whole new level of Camaro attitude and engineering. Let's start with the exterior because, let's be honest, this car demands attention. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bold, sculpted lines scream performance. The front fascia has been redesigned with a sharper, more aggressive grille, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a piercing stare. The hood, it's got a functional cowl induction scoop feeding that monstrous 454 engine, yes, 454 cubic inches, that S7.4 liters of pure American V8 thunder under the hood. Down the side, you'll notice the flared wheel arches, hugging massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. Camaro badging is subtle, but purposeful, and that low-slung, wide body stance gives it a real track-ready presence. Around back, the quad exhaust tips, a newly sculpted diffuser, and smoked-out LED tail lights finish the look. And if you're wondering about colors, this one's in that deep metallic crimson, but there's also a matte black, electric blue, and even a heritage white with racing stripes available. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. Chevy brought back the legendary 454, but not just for nostalgia. This is a modern, fuel-injected beast pushing out a brutal 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with either a 10-speed automatic or, thank the car gods, a 6-speed manual transmission with active rev matching. 0 to 60 you're looking at a blistering 3.5 seconds, with a top speed north of 190 miles per hour. And this thing isn't just about straight line speed. Magnetic ride control, an electronic limited slip differential, launch control, and massive Brembo brakes at all four corners make sure this SS can actually carve corners as well as it can tear down a drag strip. It's got selectable drive modes, including a track setting that completely changes the dynamics, tightens the suspension, sharpens the throttle, and even tweaks the exhaust note to give you that deep, aggressive growl. Slide inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's all business with just the right amount of luxury. The interior has been refreshed for 2026, blending retro cues with modern tech. Suede and leather bucket seats with contrast stitching hold you in place, and the flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls feels fantastic in your hands. You've got a fully digital 12-inch driver display, plus a new 10.25-inch infotainment screen running Chevy's latest interface with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system that honestly doesn't get much use because you'll want to listen to that engine more than anything else. There's also a heads-up display, ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and enough driver assist tech to keep things safe without getting in the way of the driving experience. Adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, it's all there, but it doesn't water down the muscle car essence. Fuel economy, let's be real, you're not buying a 454 Camaro SS for mileage. But thanks to cylinder deactivation and improved efficiency, you can expect somewhere around 17 mpg combined, which honestly isn't terrible for something with this kind of performance. So who is this car for? It's for the purists. The drivers. The ones who still crave the sound of a big V8 and the feel of a car that wants to be driven hard. The 2026 Camaro SS 454 isn't just a throwback, it's a statement. Chevy has taken the spirit of the muscle car era and evolved it into something that can stand tall in the modern performance world. If you're thinking about buying one, just know this, production is expected to be limited. Chevy is celebrating the heritage of the Camaro before we move further into the EV age. So this might be your last chance to own something this raw, this powerful, and this iconic straight from the factory. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you take this over a Mustang Dark Horse or maybe even a Dodge Charger Daytona? Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed the full tour, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, drive safe, drive hard, and as always respect the machine.